I am going to open a package. I don't know what it is. My mom got it for me, but it's a surprise. I squished it a couple and it made a squeaking sound.
Squish it.
See? I don't know what it is. I'm gonna put this open and try that. I thought I saw a hole over in this package. Oh, there's definitely a hole here. I'll try to do that. I think I can break it now. Okay. 2 squeaky pigs. Why are they squeaky? They have a hole. You can see the hole while they make squeaking sound. So 2 pigs. No, these don't have holes. Pigs don't have holes. And they have black eyes. Like these circular things in the nose. Pink ears. And a curly tail. And a leg. Legs here too. Squeaky.
Do you like bacon?
Yes.
Can we make bacon out of those pigs?
No.
Why not?
Noise.
But they look so tasty.
Wink, 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 wink. I'm actually squeezing them like this. Oh, I'm gonna get saucy. Wink, wink, wink. Piggies. Wait. Steak is made of cow, not pig.
Yes.
Moo? Moo.
That's not a cow.
I don't know. They're sticking.